Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a video walkthrough on this 260 SLX Outboard. It's equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. It's the new V8. Boat's kept under cover here. Got, I say undercover. He keeps the canvas covers over it when he's not in use. Less than 15 hours. Boat shows really well. Two-tone fabrics, woven pattern on the cushions. There's storage all over the place on this boat. So you got a huge sun pad underneath it. It's a cooler. Got cup holders, LED lighting in it, stereo remote there, cup holder over there. Lots of cup holders here, storage in that hatch there for like wakeboards and that kind of stuff. There's storage underneath these seat cushions. Go right here. This pops up. He's got his life jackets, everything stored there. Show you another cushion. Boat has optional tables. There's your mount for it there, as well as onboard battery charger. He keeps it plugged in, shore power, storage in this compartment. There's index storage here and up on the bow. Carry-on cooler here. This does have the power top, so if you are in dry storage and limited on height, this does power down. Push of a button, so you can run this all the way down. I've got that windshield open, so I'm gonna stop it short, but powers down, reduces the overall height of the boat, and powers back up. And check out the back of the seats here. See where I actually put a headrest. If you're aft facing, watching someone wakeboard or water sports activities, you've got a comfortable backrest there. Bolsters on both sides. Again, the same woven pattern in the upholstery. Push button start. Active trim. Some regular gauges over here. Most of your instrumentation is going to be handled through this glass panel. You can see you got depth sounder there. You also have chart plotter. You've got all your engine information. As of today, get the camera to focus. Yeah, 11.32 hours. Over in this compartment, you got a glove box here for some storage. Nice vacuum flush head system. Haven't spoken about it, but this boat has seadek throughout. It's very comfortable on your feet. Upgraded stereo. There's your subwoofer there. Flip down. Check out the LED lights and the cup holders. You can change those. So Teak step and Teak table is just a touch of class. Got designated spot for your trash can. When that's full, just pull it out and dump it. Got, coming up to the bow, you've got anchor windlass up there. You also have fresh water system. These flip up, storage below. Nice armrest, both sides. This compartment flips up, and that's your designated storage for your tables. Also, the boat is equipped with a cockpit, a filler cushion that makes this area a sunpad. Boat's in great shape, low hours. Owner's just changing boating styles, and that's the reason that he bought it recently and is going to sell it. He's going to do something different, probably twin engine application. Thanks for reaching out. Give us a call at 910-264-4818. That's the best way to reach us. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please give us a shout. Text message is fine on that same number. Appreciate your time. Have a good day.